Assalamualaikum, I am Izzat and I will be presenting about the summarization of each step for the mini project that we choose, which is for the tokens and tickets website. So for the screenshot of the website here, as you can see here, this is the main page of the website and the game page of the website, which is very unorganized and very messy. So for the introduction about our selected website, which we choose is the tokens and ticket website, which is an arcade place for families and kids that is located in Indiana, United States. So this website, they offers a lot of information about their business and about the games they provide and the different birthday packages they provide and much more, such as the location and about the company. But what's disappointed about this website is it is mostly unreadable and most of the features are unusable for the users to use. So for the flaws and weaknesses of the website, first is it is very unorganized and the tabs are overlapping and very unaligned, as you can see on the screenshot here, and it's crammed with too much detail, which is very confusing for the users, and the contrast of the fonts here is hard to read for some people. Next is the objects are very unorganized on the page, and you can see here the placement of each objects are not balanced, and there is basically no details about what is supposed to be portrayed here on the website. So most users will find it very confusing when visit this page. And next is the objects here, as you can see, is very unaligned and it's not symmetrically aligned and it's crammed with too much unnecessary objects here. As you can see, the tabs here and the pictures is very unorganized. And the colors of the title here, as you can see, is much, it's very hard to read because it mostly blend in with the background of the page. So what's the negative effect of these weaknesses? So it's very, first of all, is the unnecessary details on the page can cause some confusion for the users who visits the web page, and the unaligned text on the page cause the text to be overlapped with each other, and the dark contrast of the font color on the of the text is very hard to see, and the objects on each page are not balanced and very unorganized. So the possible improvement that can be made is aligning the text and objects to make the page much more organized. And we can add some white space into the page to make it cleaner and easier to focus on important details. Next is we can balance the objects on the page to make it much more structured and consistent. And we can adjust the contrast of the font and background so that the important details from the website can be highlighted without confusing the user. So for the outcome of step 3 is the primary persona. It is about Rachel Evans, who is a housewife with 3 kids, which is her goals is to celebrate birthdays with her kids, and her main frustrations is if she can't celebrate birthday with her kids or having a great time with her kids. So the scenario of the primary persona, which we describe here, will explain about how Rachel plans to get a birthday party for her kids at the Tickets and Tokens website. So this is the low fidelity framework for the website that we redesigned. So you can see for the home page, about us page, and the game page, which we transform completely from the main website to design it to make it much better and much more organized. So for the screenshot of the final prototype here, as you can see, the final outcome of the prototype, the homepage we designed it to make it much more cleaner with some white space in the page, and the About Us page, which is much more simpler and easier to read, and the games page, which is much more cheerful with organized pictures and objects, and the restaurant page, which is we redesigned to make it we mix alignment so that it looks more dynamic and very cheerful for the user. And the birthday package page, we differentiate each package with different font colors, and for the facts we use a grayish transparent background so that it can be differentiated from the birthday package so that it will not confuse the customer. For the deals and coupons, we use the same method as the birthday package, which we highlight the package with different font colors. And lastly is the contact us page, which we organize it to make it clean and simple so that user will not be exposed to unnecessary details from the website. So that's it from me and Miza. Thank you.
Assalamualaikum. For this part of the mini project, I would like to present my prototype. Before I start with my presentation, I would like to emphasize that this prototype is created with all the information gathered from the original website. So for the home page, as you can see, we will be welcome with the name of the place and its address. This mock website will have a fixed navigation bar together with its logo to make it easier for the visitor to navigate around the website. There will also be a footer with the social media logos of the premises and a phone number for easy booking, as it will be convenient for the visitors. From the homepage, we will have two options to navigate ourselves to the About Us page. First, from the tab. Second is from this button. In this About Us page, it will be provided the informations and introductions of this local family business. For the next tab will be the game page. From this page, there will be informations on the game provided by tokens and tickets. We'll be we will be able to see various pictures on the machine to give visitors the thrill of the place, and also there will be a prize section below where we can see all those past winners from the arcade. For the next tab, there will be a restaurant page where we can see a list on menu provided by the place. Users can be able to plan ahead on the meals that they want to order later on, especially if they come for a big event. So as you can see here, there will be a menu on pizza, burger, chicken, and sides. Next, we will head to the birthday package. This page will provide information on the package, and also users can view the frequently asked questions at the bottom of this page. So there will be three packages, which is the Express Party package, Chilling Party package, and the All Out Party package. The next tab will be the deals and coupons. Here, from this page, users will be given the opportunity to grab any available deals to attract more potential customers to the place. For example, if you are the family fun night, you will be given a large pizza with 4 small beverage and an extra 50 token. For the last page is the contact us that will provide an ask box where users can enter their names and email and messages, and they can submit them if they have any inquiries. From this tab, you can also contact them via social media or their phone number. Not only that, there will be a map of the place and also the opening hours. Thank you.